Good morning, teacher. My name is Evaristo González Ramos, and today I am going to show you the activity. What are they doing? In the first picture, they are in the beach. The second picture, they are walking in the beach. The third picture, they are having fun. They are eating pizza and they are drinking some beverage. And the fourth picture, some people are playing volleyball, some people are surfing, and some people are taking the sun. The fifth picture, they are building a castle. The sixth picture, they are drinking beer. In the seventh picture, they are swimming. In the eighth picture, they are dancing at the beach. And in the last picture, they are sitting at the beach. Thank you for watching.